Yo, what's going on, guys? Big cash, big online money. Free money, no money out my pocket, no money out your pocket. So that's what I'm trying to show y'all. So 15 PayPal cash exchange at 2,500 points for the 15, or we can do the 5,000 for the 35. Whichever one. That's all you can get for us money wise, and everything else is, just gift cards. Who cares? You can pay for the $35 worth gift cards if that's the case. But I'm all about the PayPal. So what do you do to get that PayPal? This is all you have to do. I'm gonna show you. All you have to do is join. Number one. Two, know what you're going for when you join this app, the Big Cash. If you're going for the gift cards, then go for the gift cards. If you're going for the money, then come on, definitely join. Alright, I'm gonna show you what I do, and then I'm just gonna show you everything else. What I do is I always go to the daily check-in, get 10 points. Boom. Then I always go to watch unlimited videos, maximum 1,300 videos per redeem. I don't get to that to where what I'm saying, they'll stop me from watching the video ads. But them pretty much how I got my 800 points. I've been in this. To be honest with you, I want to say I've been in this for probably like a week and a half to 2 weeks. So I say 2 weeks, and within 2 weeks, I'm getting close to I'm getting close to it. But to be honest with you, I say if you somebody that's hungry, you could probably get to 1,000 in probably a day or two, maybe a week, and then get to the 2,000 within 2 weeks. Next, if you do 1,000 one week, 1,000 next week, so you'll be able to get to the 15 probably in 2 weeks and a half. It just depends on your grind. Me, I got so many other things I got going on, so I don't just focus on this. But I have been focusing a lot because normally when I get into new apps, I don't get that close. I don't get that close, so I'm almost close to 1,000. So hopefully, if I focus today, what I'm saying, I'll probably be able to be close to 1,000. But definitely will. But the next video I'll be making with Big Cash, the app, will be a payment proof. You know, but this is all the stuff you have to do, or if you want to do. But this is what I want to do and what I have to do to order to get this 25 or this 35 PayPal prepaid. I won't say prepaid, but PayPal cash. I'm sorry. You just gotta grind. This is literally what you do. It's literally what you do. No big secret, guys. That's literally what you do. Ain't nothing else to it. Watching other advertisement of probably apps and other different things, but you're getting paid from people promoting. You know what I'm saying? For you to watch something, to join something, or to buy something. You getting paid from the advertisement. It's pretty much is what I'm saying. If you like, how you getting this free money, no money out your pocket from people paying, for you to watch. Just like people pay for you to watch on TV, but you don't get anything from that because the TV stations aren't allowing you to, what I'm saying, profit from it. So they're getting all the profit, but you're getting forced to watch ads in a way if you want to keep continuing to watching your favorite show when the commercial come on. Me, I don't watch TV. If I do, it got to be something very exciting on right now. Like literally, not even if it's right now, but just in general. But just come join and get some free money out your pocket, man. I mean, everything's gonna be a little hard work, but this is not no hard work. I mean, the hard work is physical work. I mean, this is hard work, but the real hard work is physical. If you can do the physical work, no matter what you're doing, 9 to 5, whatever, hustle, then you can do this. This is more boring, I know, but to get to that 25 to 30, I mean 15, 25, I mean I said 15 to $35 or 15 or $35. Man, that ain't that hard, man. It probably take, if you was serious, it'll take a week to get to that 2,500 points. But me, like I said, I ain't just got this one program, one app, whatever, money making opportunity. So I got more things. So it's gonna take a little bit longer unless I bring in some people. So that's why I'm promoting to y'all. Won't you come join, Mr. MMO, Mr. MMC? Let's get it. Let's go. Come join, guys.